Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to delete cache on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, be able to navigate into the library folder. We can do this via a search or go into terminal, use terminal commands to navigate to that folder that holds the caches folder. So we're going to start this tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, increase the size of the Finder window. Now to navigate to library, we need to go to the top toolbar, go, and library should pop up here after we click on the option key, and there is library. Let's click on this. An alternative method would be to go all the way onto the dock after we minimize Finder. Go to Launchpad, go to Terminal, click on Terminal, enter, increase the size of the terminal window, Command plus a couple of times. Now let's CD. Before we do that, let's just clear all the content on screen. Print working directory. We now need to navigate to library, ls-a to give us the hidden files. So there is library, open, library, enter, and that would open up the same Finder window. If we close that Finder window, go up, open library, go to caches. Now to delete the cache, we need to go into caches and delete everything in this folder. If you are not willing to delete, in case you think something might happen to the computer itself, you can move this folder all the way to the desktop for safekeeping and then delete the caches. If you're still not happy, you can move all the content back into the caches in case you think something were to happen, just to be on the safe side. Let's go into caches, Command A to select every single thing, and now move to bin, quit Finder, quit terminal, empty the bin, and all the files are being deleted. And now let's look at the right top corner of the screen. We have received some gigabytes back. However, by using the computer, you will create more cached memory. Let's go all the way down to the dock. Again, go to Finder, go to Go, Option key, Library, Caches. Some cache will start to build up as we use applications. Command W to quit. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.